Welcome back to another tutorial of the Messenger Connect page builder. This tutorial applies to all of the page builders, including the premium ones in the Pro Edition. And I just wanted to focus on these buttons up here. So what these are buttons where you can either start over. So if you wanted to generate another page, you just click this and it will clear these, which I'll do in a second. This button here is a save button, so it will save these all of these answers to your computer and download it to your computer, and then you can at a later date just upload them. Now I know that in the page builder, this one, there's not too many fields to fill in, so it's not really a big deal to fill it in again each time, but it is quicker just to upload one that you've already done, make a quick change and then generate that. It also makes it very quick for you if you're building bots for local business clients or any business for that matter, because you can create a demo and then all you have to do is change the code for the messenger, change the name, and basically you'd be done, because the other fields would more or less stay the same. Except of course for the image that you're going to put in. You might want to put a different image for each client. So there you have it. You can start over, so let's do that now. We'll click that and it's going to, then you can just confirm yes, start over or not. That way if you clicked it by mistake, it's all gone. So I would just click that yes, and then it's all cleared. What I should have done first before that is save it, because then it would save down to my computer and I could upload it. But there you have it. If I were to click and upload, just so you can see what happens, you click that button there and you would select the save file from your computer. I hope that makes sense. Thanks again for watching. Look out for other tutorials and other videos.